Director mentioned listing on Monday, one motion matter, my lord. Urgency, my lord, petitioner has been removed from the post of in charge headmaster, my lord.
When?
Petitioner received the copy on 1/4, my lord. 1st of April received the copy, my lord. Monday, my lord.
When did you file?
Yesterday, my lord.
You have the filing number?
Yes, my lord.
May I please, your lordship. Lord, I beg to mention for listing of a matter, my lord, can it be after Bihu on 19th, my lord,
For what?
for admission, my lord. Obliged.
May I please, Your Honor, I beg to mention item number 2 for today. I would seek for adjournment. I had given adjournment petition yesterday. I had submitted it. Obliged, Your Lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item 5, 6, and 9 may take next week, my lord. My senior is out of station for
5,
medical
6, and
purpose.
9. No, good take
Who
me.
is your senior?
HR Ahmed.
HR Ahmed.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
5, 6, and 9.
No, 7 was 7, 8 is along with
7.
Wait for something.
wait for some along with both.
May it please, your lordship. Also, this is a contempt application. In order, is a page 40, it starts from page 40, lordship. Operating parties, page 47, last part. I read it slowly, your lordship. On the backdrop of the aforesaid discussion, this court is of the opinion that petitioners have been able to make out a case for interference in exercise of the powers and article 23 of the Constitution of India. It is accordingly held that a so and so
Why it was rejected?
lordship,
Why your state qualification as theory was rejected?
lordship, not they in the advertisement they have said that other qualifications I need to obtain prior to the age of
Prior to?
38 years. Lordship, my addendum. Your lordship will take the addendum. At page 30, your lordship.
Now what happened?
Now, lordship, the judgment was passed. Now they have the honorable judge has given 45 days to comply with the judgment to publish a first merit list. They failed to do so.
This is with regard to which?
With regard to the advertisement dated, lordship will file the advertisement at page 27. Two advertisement published, one at page 27 and another at page 24.
Now just tell us
Yes, your
whether this advertisement pursuant to this selection was made.
Yes,
Selection was made.
yes.
Now
Posts were reserved, posts were kept reserved, and fresh select lists were asked to be published. Last
how
part,
many posts were kept vacant?
115.
115.
Yes, your lord. The recruitment process was set aside, your lordship. Last part, for page 48.
Recruitment process for who?
The rejection of the petitioner recruitment process is set aside. The case of the petitioners for appointment as assistant teachers as per advertisement dated so and so shall be duly considered, and based upon their position in the merit list, appointments be offered expeditiously and in any case within an outer limit of 45 days from today.
Mr. Sisti, any idea when these appointments were made? Any idea?
কোন শোনা হতো?
The order dated 21.
No, whether this
Expenditure order 38. Lordship will see annexure 2, that serial number 3, lordship, that was challenged. The relaxation clause, serial number 3, the middle part, lordship. Relaxation shall be applicable only to those candidates who have attained the necessary education or other qualification prior to crossing of existing upper age limit of 30 years. That was challenged by these petitioners, which the court held that it was wrong. Thus, creating of class within the class was bad.
Do one thing, Mr.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Find out.
Yes, I'll get that. Yes. Also make any fixed date, Your Lordship, I'll get it.
Matter pertains to non-compliance of the order. Common order, common judgment and order. Dated 21/12/2021. Passed in WPC number,
909. Page
what
31.
was your read?
Lordship, now we are including many of the writ petitions, Lordship. There are a set of writ petitions. Some are in 909, some are in 857.
They're from different districts. Right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Which numbers are, which petitions are different?
Yes, Your Lordship.
How do you act on it? Should have separated it. District wise at least. How the respondents will go to follow it? Somebody has an order in WPC 854. Somebody will has an order in WPC number 1349.
Exactly, Your Lordship.
How the responding authority will comply?
Lordship, earlier we have filed the applications offline. There was an interim order.
See, that is why order is common. But you cannot club your cases together in a contempt petition. Because the orders have been passed in separate writ petition. You have to specify your writ petition number. Order is common, no doubt. It's a common judgment and order because it is districts are different, writ petitions are different. To be writ petition wise, better withdraw it and file a specific. Other will not entertain this. We have to pass an order. If you want to withdraw it, it's good.
Liberty, Lordship, give me liberty.
Part Mr. K. Mohan. Not counsel for them. On instruction of the petitioners, Mr. Mahanta, counsel for raised for withdrawal of this particular as inadvertent common contempt petition filed with regard to common judgment and order. It was passed in different writ petitions where present petitioners of such writ petitions were allowed because it's
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord?
who represents that?
My lord, the diet is represented by my friend. my lord.
No,
Diet.
SCRT standing council.
SCRT standing council.
SCRT standing councils are different, not education.
SCRT কারো মাথা না।
Bora, Santanu.
Yes, sir.
Oh, she's there, my lord, on behalf of Mr. S. Bora.
Name of the SCRT hasn't been shown here. Have you served copy?
My lord.
C is appearing on behalf of S. Bora.
Hmm?
Hello, C is appearing on behalf of S. Bora.
Let us see whether notice has been served, copy of this petition has been served or not. Your junior or your junior has no time, I think so. Look at the notice, the way it was served. Mr. Bhuya, unless you make a mistake, see. Whom it was served. Did at the top, to whom it was mentioned?
Madam.
This is the way your colleague is filing a notice. This is not- You should check it. Otherwise, our bar will not get benefit.
Malum. It's my mistake, my lord.
Yes, everybody is,
Madam.
see, basically, when we started practice,
No, my lord, even,
first of us,
Madam.
before going to the brief,
my lord,
our seniors, how to tie the knot.
my lord,
At that point of time, we didn't had the bags,
Madam.
Everybody used to bring their books in a big cloth, bed sheet or curtain, whatever. And they had to tie the knot so that if you pull it, it doesn't go out. There's a system.
Lord, my senior Abu Sharif sir, my lord, even he drafted the notice, my lord. He dictated me and I used to write down the
And
notice.
then they're so particular
My lord, my lord.
that if anything, any page goes out of the file, just it's banned or something,
My lord.
or dog earring, whatever, they used to get away. The systematic
My lord,
message is there.
my lord,
You have
sincere
seen,
apology, I take
This will
it.
not help the juniors.
My lord. It's my mistake, my lord, my mistake.
This is our bar. We should make it more.
My lord. I can understand my lordship's suggestion.
Petitioner shall serve notice to standing council SCRT for the respondent numbers.
3 men. Yes, Director SCRT.
Lord,
Reports of the day. List on
10th,
10. But it will be difficult to list on 10. Tomorrow is a holiday.
11th.
On 11. Registry shall reflect the name of SC, ST, LMT, others, and the council for the rest.
My lord.
This is Mr. Kaushik. All these matters, as you see, this is the government have to clarify.
Hello.
What happens, we found that normally the language teacher
Hello.
is Hindi language teacher.
Hello.
Then ME school, what do you mean by ME school?
Hello.
What do you mean by ME?
Middle English School. Hello.
If it is a middle English school, why is a English will be a language teacher? Why do you need an English as a language teacher? What do you mean by MB school? Do you know the full meaning of the MB school? Middle vernacular. Middle vernacular means in Assamese medium school or Moro medium, whatever the vernacular that is in that particular school. For that subject, you cannot have a language teacher in that school. If it is a ME school, you cannot have a language teacher in ME school or an Assamese medium school because it is in Assam, particularly in Brahmaputra Valley.
Hello.
If you read the language teachers, how it cropped up in Barak Valley, and even in Hindi language, in ME, if it is there is a Hindi, then Hindi language will be there. That has to be ascertained by the government because that particular provision is one language teacher, one science and mathematics teacher, and social science teacher. So what language will be applicable where?
Usually, my lord, the word which has been used in 3.1.11 is languages.
Languages means, see, you can't have a teacher with have English language. You are not appointing any teacher as an English language teacher. You are appointing as an assistant teacher,
My lord,
right?
as a
But there has to be a teacher who can teach English,
English.
right?
Yes.
But English cannot be considered as a language.
Language.
If it is language, in Barak Valley, it has to be in Assamese. In Brahmaputra Valley, maybe Hindi.
Hindi.
It cannot be Bengali.
My lord.
It cannot be any other language,
Yes.
right? It cannot be Arabic.
Otherwise, as a policy of the state, we have adopted 3 language policy in the ME schools.
Key language, English is not a language in that case.
Yes, it is not. For ME school, it is not considered as a
English and
language.
Assamese cannot be considered
Cannot
as a
be
language.
considered as
The
a
other languages are only Hindi
Yes.
and Bengali. In the Barak Valley, it will be Assamese. In,
SMS,
somewhere in the some parts of it may be Hindi or something,
Hindi, or
right?
that will clarify. My lord.
All schools doesn't have the Arabic language. Cannot
Only in case of ME madrasa.
in all cases, school cannot be a Bengali language.
Yes.
It has to be Hindi, and in Barak Valley, Assamese.
Yeah.
If you can get hold of the first education code, first education,
My lord.
it's not available in our judges library. It's available only some of the old
Old
practicing lawyers.
practice, yeah.
Just like we had a big book of Assam service rules, very old book. There you can see the APSC rules at that point of time, very old book. The new book doesn't have all those things. Some of my colleagues, when we joined together, they had at that point of time. That book is not available in the market for last 40, 30 years. The first education code, if you can get hold of it, you will see the background.
Okay.
I have a printout. I just xerox it from my print. That is where it is laid down. Unless you go through that provision, because your officers are not going through those provisions, they are not aware. You have to go through that provision. It is available only VK1 first education. First edition. It is not available in other books. You have to work hard when you are representing the department.
I'll try. My lord.
Be involved. That is why I asked Mr. Chaliha on that day. There has to be a financial rule.
Hmm.
And it is there. He could not place us. Because this, unless we'll give you some time,
Yes, my lord.
but clarify.
My lord.
Which will be the language where today is 6th, 2nd of May.
Second.
We are giving you sufficient time,
My
work
lord.
little hard
I'll get it.
and get it where what language will be there.
My lord.
All cannot be a language, even if it is appointed.
My lord.
Pursuant to the order dated 27/03/2023, the respondent in the State Government Elementary Education Department is yet to clarify its stand regarding the language teachers in upper primary school. Placed on 2nd of May. In the meanwhile. Right. Government profession. You are appearing for
I came from the respond number 7, both 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Came over.
Are you appearing?
Item number 8.
Manaf for it.
Yes.
What's your good name? Your good name. You are in 5, 6, and
9.
9. Go to the Mr. Vikas. You
My lord,
know
my lord.
that's what is. Have you collected cards for 10, 9, 7?
No, my lord.
Ask Rajesh Majumdar
My lord.
to collect it as collected last yesterday.